You searched how to buy shares of Elders Limited, and this short guide will walk you through the steps to find ELD.ASX. Elders Limited is an Australian agribusiness listed on CBOE AUS under ticker ELD.ASX, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ELD.ASX to locate Elders Limited. Select the listing that matches the CBOE AUS exchange to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the live price chart to confirm this is Elders Limited. Always verify the ticker ELD.ASX in the exchange listing before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next market open, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add funds before confirming. After the trade completes, the position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it. Soft CTA, a reference link to eToro, is available in the video description.